In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Nitro on a Discord mobile. So what you'll need to do first is simply go and open your Discord account. If you're not logged in into an account, make sure to go log in into an account. If you don't have an account, just go and create one. It's going to be very simple to do. So now, once you are here or at your Discord account, to use, of course, Nitro, you will need to have a Nitro related to your account or linked to your account. If you don't have that, you will have to go and get it. Of course, you can just go and click on you in here. And as you can see, you can go and find here get a nitro. If you didn't find it here as an example, maybe you don't have this, you can click on the settings at the top right corner if you don't find even the nitro here at the top right corner as well. So of course, if you find it, you can click on it and click on try your month for free. If you don't find it, you can simply click on settings and scroll down until you find example server boost or something like that. And once you click of course on it, you should find yourself, of course, you'll be able to go and get your Nitro. So if you didn't get your month for free, you can, or you'll be able to get it. You can choose yearly or monthly and click on continue to Google Pay, Play, of course, and pay. Of course, you'll not pay anything for the first month, but you will get your Nitro for free. So now how can you use your Nitro? Of course, you can use your Nitro by boosting servers. So you can go to any specific server that you want, and if you have your Nitro, you'll find an option called boost this server. With one Nitro, you'll be able to boost it twice, and of course, other than that, you'll be able to use all the emojis, example, as you can see. So those emojis, I'll not be able to use them right now because I don't have a Nitro. But for you, if you have it, you'll be able to use all of those from other servers. You'll be able to upload again, like some large files and send some large text, not like the free users. Other than that, you'll be able to use a lot of soundboards as example. Once you are in a VC in here, as example, you'll be able to use a lot of soundboards. So if you go here to soundboard, normally you have 6 per default. You can add yours, but you have a limitation. But if you have an intro, you don't have a limitation. You can add as many as you want. Maybe you have a limitation, but I'm not very sure. But for sure, you have more than the free user. So that's basically how you use a Nitro on Discord mobile. Thank you for watching and goodbye.